Let's take a look at the Evolv compensation plan. There are 8 easy ways to earn with Evolv. As you move through the compensation plan and achieve different ranks, the ranks change. We'll go through this in another presentation and what each one of them means, but basically you have the promoter ranks, the Evolv ranks, the elite ranks, and the ambassador ranks. Another thing that you'll learn through Evolv is that as you get started, you want to get on the star track. Hitting Evolv Star means that you achieve the rank of Evolv 500, which we'll cover in another presentation. Earning Evolv Star will earn you 15% in fast start bonuses and special lifetime recognition. Elite Star gets you into our Evolv driven car bonus program at an early rank. And Ambassador Star gives you amazing trips and rewards, plus incredible commission on a monthly basis. A few other things that we offer at Evolv are Evolv experiences, free trips and awards and incentive programs that can really stretch you and take you places you've never been before. We also offer the E84 Challenge. So as a promoter of the challenge, or just a customer, you can enter the challenge and win trips, prizes, and rewards just for taking our products and getting healthy. Now here's a few things you need to know as we go through this presentation. To earn most of our compensation through our compensation plan, you've got to be qualified. That means that you're active with at least 80 points of PV4 in every 4-week period. PV4 is simply personal volume over a 4-week period. So basically that means that you're purchasing product for yourself or for your business every 4 weeks. The 4-week period is the current week and 3 previous weeks, and also PV4 can count from retail sales that you have. PTV is pay team volume. I'm going to cover that in a minute, but that represents the total volume from your lesser team each week. And personal group volume is PGV. That's the sales volume generated from members that you personally sponsor and their teams. Now let's jump into the 8 ways to get paid. Now first is simple. As you go out and promote the challenge and talk to people you know, you can have an unlimited number of customers. Customers are people that don't become members. They're not promoting the challenge and earning income, but they do have the ability to take the challenge, qualify for our trips, rewards, and prizes, and also qualify to get their product for free. In retail sales, as you can see here, you can earn 5% commission on anything from $1 to $1,000 in sales. You also get credit towards your personal PV of up to 75% for all of these purchases. As your sales move to $1,000 or over, your commission total can become up to 10% on retail commissions. Now note that this is over a rolling 4-week period, so the current week and 3 previous weeks. That means over each 4-week period, you could have customers that are joining the challenge, taking products, and every time their package gets shipped on a monthly basis, you're getting credit for those sales and earning commissions. This is a tremendous way to earn, and we have literally tons of people that are earning retail commissions on a weekly basis. You also earn the difference between wholesale and retail. All of these commission percentages are based on our wholesale prices, assuming that your customer is going to go on what we call auto ship, meaning their product packs are showing up every month, keeping them on the challenge without having to think about it. The next way we pay is fun. You know, as a new person getting started, there's nothing better than getting your money back on a monthly basis. When you take the challenge and pass it on, meaning you refer at least 3 friends that are doing the same thing you're doing, the next month your product is free. And as long as you keep 3 people on the challenge with you at all times, your product continues to come to you free every single month. All you pay is shipping and handling. That's an incredible benefit and literally cash in your pocket as you're getting healthy and wealthy at the same time. The next way we pay is the Fast Start bonus. So as you enroll people that become customers, you're earning retail commissions. When you enroll people that become members just like you earn a Fast Start commission on any order they place in their first 28 days. So this is real simple. Let's say that you enroll someone that purchases a pack that comes with about 305 PV or points. Those points, you earn 10% of those points. So basically, at 10%, you'd earn a $30 check just for enrolling that person and signing them up to become a member. You can also qualify to earn 15% if you actually have PV on a monthly basis or in a 4-week cycle of over 160 points. Remember, your retail commissions or your retail points actually count towards your PV as well. This can help you get to that 160 points. If you hit Evolv 500 in your first 7 days and you become an Evolv Star, you also qualify for 15% of all of your personally sponsored people for life. There's 2 other ways you can do it as well, and we'll go into those a little bit later. Now, pay team commission is where you start to generate residual income. This is where you're actually enrolling people and you're placing them on either your right or your left team. Everyone in the business is building a right or left team. And as you can see here, as I enroll new people, I'm just picking whether they're going on the right or the left. Now, most times I want to place new people on the side where I have the lesser volume, because each week I'm getting paid on my lesser team. Now, to earn pay team commissions, I have to always have at least one person on each side that's active, that I've personally enrolled. So I enroll Johnny on one side and Timmy on the other, and as long as these 2 people stay active, I'm always qualified to earn pay team commissions. Pay team commissions are basically 10% payment on the weekly business volume from your pay team. So your lesser side, it could be your right or it could be your left, and sometimes it changes every week. But basically, I'm earning 10% of that lesser side on a weekly basis. Let's say that I had 500 points accumulated on one side and 1,000 on the other. 500 would be my lesser side, and if I'm earning 10% of that this week, I'd earn a check for $50. Think about how fast this can grow as new people that you enroll in your business go out and build their business. And they're enrolling people in their business. And all of those people are going and getting customers so that they can get their product for free. Your business can start to grow quickly, and pay team commissions are a great way to earn literally up to $40,000 a month that you can earn through pay team commissions in our commission plan. Now, this is one of the funnest ways that we pay. The Evolv Driven program is simple to achieve and fun. How would you like to be driving a Mercedes-Benz in the next 84 days? All you have to do is achieve the rank of Ruby, which means you have 20,000 personal group volume points over a 4-week period, and you'll start to earn $600 towards a Mercedes-Benz every month, or $400 cash that you can use towards your current car if you don't want to buy a Mercedes-Benz right now. Now, actually, this bonus is paid every 4 weeks, so literally there's 13 payments a year. It really equates to about $650 a month, not just $600. Now, if you don't hit Ruby in 84 days, you can still achieve the Evolv Driven program by going to the next rank, which is Emerald. And that's just 40,000 personal group volume points over a 4-week period. When you move past Emerald and hit Blue Diamond, the Evolv Driven program starts to pay you $1,200 every 4 weeks. Then you move up and continue progressing and you hit Visionary Ambassador. Now you're earning $3,000 on top of all of your other commissions like your pay team and your matching bonus. Now, matching bonus is one of the most powerful ways that we pay at Evolv. Matching bonus starts out really early in the compensation plan. When you hit Evolv 2K, which means that you have 2,000 pay team volume points, so in your lesser team, over a 4-week period. So it's only about 500 points every week to reach that rank. You start earning a personal check match on everyone that you've personally enrolled in the business. What does that mean? That means that let's say that I sign up John, and John earns a binary check this week for $100. I would earn a personal match of 15 or 20%, depending on a few things that I'll explain in a minute. Now, if I'm earning 15%, that's an extra $15 that week. If I'm earning 20%, an extra $20. What if John starts making $1,000 a week in pay team commissions? So basically, I have an unlimited way to earn here. The more people I enroll and the more I help them earn in pay team commissions, my income grows and increases. Now you can see here that with each rank, I actually increase the amount of personal check match that I can earn on the personal people that I've enrolled. Next, you start earning generational check matches. Now let's just say that this just paid 7 levels. So at each rank here, at Evolv 10K, you started earning another level below the people that you've personally sponsored. And then at Ruby, you start earning a second level, then a third, a fourth, a fifth, a sixth, and a seventh. Just in 7 levels, which if you add that to your personal level, that'd be 8 levels, you can earn an incredible amount of check match. But our check match program isn't just levels, it's generations. Our system looks down and tries to find the next Evolv 5K in any level below you that it can. Once it finds an Evolv 5K, it cuts off and creates a new generation. But let's just say that that's going to actually extend those levels much deeper than 8 levels that you would be earning check match on people in your organization. There's no need for dynamic compression in this because if someone doesn't earn a check, it just skips around them and finds the next person that's earned a pay team commission check that week. Now let me give you a quick example. Let's say you had 100 people that earned a $100 check on a weekly basis times anywhere between 20 and 40% is what our check match pays out on a weekly basis. That means that off of those 100 people that are earning a $100 check, you'd earn an additional $2,000 to $4,000 that week. What if it was 1,000 people earning a $100 check? The opportunity with our matching bonus program is absolutely limitless. You can make as much money in this program as you want. All you have to do is go build teams of people and help those teams of people earn pay team commissions, and you're in the money. Now, as you move up in ranks and progress in our business, you're going to actually start earning rank advancement bonuses. These are one-time payments that you earn as you achieve new ranks. So let's say you earn Emerald and you earn a $1,000 commission, you earn that $1,000. Once you hit Diamond, there's a $3,000 payout. All you have to do is stay qualified and continue progressing in the compensation plan. These payments are great and they're an incredible addition to the other ways that we pay. Now finally, one of the things that we're most excited about is our leadership pools. You know, leaders really make the business happen. And we know that you don't just get wealthy, you have to become wealthy. As you step through our compensation plan, you're going to grow in dealing with people and you're going to learn how to grow a business helping people earn. You're going to literally help other people evolve. That's what a Hope Ambassador is all about in our compensation plan. It literally stands for helping other people evolve. Now when you hit the rank of Ruby, you start earning a 1 share in a 2% pool. That's a global pool. All of the Evolv sales volume on a weekly basis, totaled together, 2% goes into this pool, and as a Ruby you earn 1 share. At Emerald you earn 2 shares, then Diamond 3 shares, Blue Diamond 4 shares. And guess what? When you move up to Ambassador, you move into a new 1% pool, but you don't lose the 4 shares in the last pool. So you could continue earning on the 4 shares that you've earned as a Blue Diamond and move into a new pool that is just for the higher ranks. As our company grows, this is going to be a tremendous way to get paid. It literally is almost like having equity in the business. You can control your destiny when it comes to leadership pools. All you've got to do is go grow your business and continue to get paid at these ranks on a weekly basis to ensure that you're getting those share pool payouts. Those are the 8 ways to earn. If you want to see how all of this ties together, click over and watch our presentation on our game board. That'll walk you through each rank and start tying together all of the different ways that you can earn as you start increasing in ranks and growing in your business. Good luck, but the best thing that I can tell you is continue progressing, always reaching forward. Set some goals and go get them.